Imagine living in your dream home and not paying a dime for it. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's totally possible with a clever strategy called house hacking. Today, I'm going to show you how you can live for free or drastically reduce your living expenses by house hacking. Stick around till the end, because you won't want to miss the tips and real-life examples we've got lined up to get you started. So, what exactly is house hacking? In simple terms, house hacking involves buying a property, living in part of it, and renting out the rest. This way, your tenants essentially pay your mortgage or a significant part of your living expenses. Whether it's a duplex, a fourplex, or even a single-family home with extra rooms, house hacking can be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's break down the journey into house hacking. First, assess your finances thoroughly and get pre-approved for a mortgage. You'll need some savings for a down payment, and a solid credit score is crucial for securing a favorable mortgage rate. Since you'll be living in the property, you might qualify for loans with low or no down payment, typically reserved for primary residences. These loans usually also offer lower interest rates than those for investment properties. FHA loans are a favorite among house hackers for their low down payment requirement of just 3.5%. Conventional loans are also an option, providing more flexibility with property types and rental setups, and their down payments can be as low as 3%. For veterans, VA loans offer excellent benefits, including no down payment and no private mortgage insurance, PMI, though you must live in the property to qualify. If you're considering a rural area, USDA loans are ideal. They require no down payment and are available to those meeting geographic and income criteria. Don't forget to factor in the costs of any renovations or repairs the property might need. Next step involves hunting for a property where the numbers work, meaning the rent you collect covers your mortgage and other expenses, ideally making you some profit or allowing you to live for free. Here's how to spot a good deal. Research the market. Understand the rental market in the area you're interested in. Look for areas with high rental demand and reasonable property prices. Consider location and amenities. Properties near colleges, major employers, or city centers tend to attract more tenants. Amenities like public transport access, parking, and nearby shops can also boost appeal. Evaluate condition and potential costs. A fixer-upper might seem like a bargain, but remember to account for the cost and time of renovations. Calculate your potential return. Use rent estimates in your mortgage calculations to see if the numbers line up. Let's put this into practice. Consider this fourplex listed on MLS. The purchase price is $254,000. Here's how the numbers might look. Down payment, 3.5% FHA, $8,890. Estimated monthly mortgage, including taxes and insurance, $2,245. Estimated rent from other 3 units, $2,550. With this setup, the rent you collect would cover the mortgage and potentially leave you with a surplus of $305 per month, essentially letting you live for free and even earn some income. Once you've landed on the perfect property, it's time for the exciting part, setting up your rental space. Make sure it's safe, clean, and welcoming for prospective tenants. Your next step is to find your tenants. Use online platforms or hire a real estate agent to screen potential tenants and sign a legally binding lease agreement. You could also rely on word of mouth. Finally, comes the part of effective property management. This involves maintaining the property, managing your tenants, collecting rent, and dealing with any issues that arise. Remember, a well-kept space attracts better tenants and higher rent. Ready to start house hacking? Subscribe for more real estate tips to achieve financial freedom.